Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to design visually captivating slides on Canva. So open your Canva app. If you don't have it, download from the Play Store. So you have the search bar where you can type, slides or presentation templates, and they will bring it out. Or you can click on presentation here, just click it will open up like this. So I'm going to show you how to create using AI on Canva too, and also how to create using Canva templates. So once it opens up like this, it will bring out all these things. Just click on this bar, on this search bar. So type your idea, what you want to create. Maybe you want to create something, you don't know how to start, you have not made research. Just type, like, I want to create something, create a slide about climate change, or something, or any topic at all. So I'm just going to type the idea I have in my head. I'll just type it on this place. After typing it, you click on generate design, so that Canva will analyze what you've typed. They will generate the design and create a slide for you. Like, they will create from start to finish for you. You don't need to add anything. So but you can edit it. AI can make mistakes. So once you are done typing what you want to type, create slides on climate you know change, its effects, and how to mitigate it. Click on generate design. Once you click on generate design, it will just finalize your design and give you a slide. So it gave me slide that has 8 slide. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, click on apply all 8 pages. When you click on apply all 8 pages, you can see it's by Canva AI. So you can see this climate crisis presented by, you put your name here. You can edit all these things that are here. Just type your name on the parts where you have presented by name here. So one thing about this thing is that even though it is created by AI, you can change it, you can edit it, you can confirm the font that is there if it's what you like. If you don't like the images, you can get another image from Canva library to change it. You can delete the slides that you don't want from this particular slide, despite it being created by AI. You understand? So it's not that AI has created it, you can't edit it. No, that's one good thing with Canva. So you can see the different parts of the slides, the urgency of climate action, and causes of climate change. I just like how Canva arranged everything. Is aesthetic, it added images and all of that. So you can now add your own. If you have real images of real places, since this one is AI, you can add your own if that is okay. So if you want to watch it, click on this icon so that it will present. So you just see it will play. So if you want to go out, go back to your design center, go on this place, click on this place. You can click on this arrow to move from one page to another. So it's very simple to use AI on Canva to create slides for your presentation. Even if you don't have any idea, you can use this, then modify it using your own human distance. So click on this upload button, then click on download. So when you click on download, click on this arrow here so that it will remove this from PDF, and you choose PPT. So you click on that. I want you to note that because this this particular design contains media, videos, and all those things, so that is why it's showing like this. So but if you want it to be like that, if you want all those animation, you can just download it, and it will be downloaded to your phone or your laptop, whichever one you're using. So I want to show you how to create slides from existing templates. One thing with Canva is that they have pre-existing templates. So click on presentation icon. When you click on this presentation icon, it's going to take you to that page it took us to before. So just allow it to load. All these things uses internet connection. So once it loads, it's going to bring out templates on the design bar. It will bring out a lot of templates for you to choose from. So you can choose the ones that are free. If you have free accounts, you can choose the ones that are paid if you have pro account. So you can see the templates it has brought out. So you can see their pages. This one has 10 pages, this one have 12 pages. This one is paid. this one is free. So the one that has crown like stuff is paid for pro accounts, the ones that does not have it is for free account. So you can look through those distance, or you just describe your idea so that it will bring you something related to your topic. So anyone you like. So I'm going to just choose one of this one. Look at this one, pitch deck presentation. It's for free account. So you cannot say that it's only paid account that can get good looking designs. No. So I will apply all the 10 pages. One thing with all these things is that, like I said earlier, you can delete anything that you don't like from the slide and put your own. You can edit, you can change color, you can change image, you can change the text, you can change the format of the text and everything. So once I apply the 10 pages, I'm going to be editing one or two things. So I want you to just follow me so you can look over the pages, check them, delete the ones you don't want. I'll show you how to do that. And if you want to change color, click on the background, change the colors. You can see I've changed like 3 or 4 colors now. So it's still very easy to do. If you still have questions, you can drop in the comment section. I'll be deleting some of these things because it's actually a lot for me. Although I'm not using this for anything, I'm just doing all this for tutorial purposes. So when you click on the font, on the text, you can see the font name, you can see the font size, you can see it's bold, it's left aligned, you can see all these things. You can check the advanced features, see that the height, the line spacing is 0.88. There's no letter spacing, that means there's no kerning. So you can delete the ones you don't want and add what you want and make it to be suitable to what you want to do. So once I click on the text, I'll just click on edit and type whatever I want to type. I can say tutorial presentation, or whatever. You put your name, you put your institution if it is needed, and all of that. So I can shift it to the place I want it to be, delete the things that I don't want to see in this presentation. So as we are doing all this, if you have question while watching, I would like you to drop them in the comment section. Like this video, comment, subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to change this image. When you click on the image, you go to photos, which is Canva library, or if you have your own photo, you go to your gallery and choose from your gallery. So I'll search for tech or any topic that I want to search for, or I will just choose this image that is here, put the woman, arrange it, crop it in a good way, delete other things. Since she's not wearing purple or this other color, I will change the color of these things so that it will not be so bright on this place, this element. So I'll just duplicate this one, change the color of this one to white, change the color of the other one to black, or leave it like that, anyone. So but I can change it to black, duplicate it and add one more, just position it below the image. So when I go to the next page, I would go to elements and choose photos, choose a technology photo to just add to this if it's what is obtainable. But this is market opportunity, you can choose a market stuff to add to it. So if you go down here, if you want to animate any text, click on animate. I'll just choose typewriter, click on, then choose to on appear on click tab. That means when you are presenting, once you touch your remote control, the animation will show. If you don't touch it, it will not show. So I will click on the page. You can see the page is what I clicked on and used breathe. Then I will click on apply all pages. That means all the pages in this particular slide will be animated. So I would make sure that the page is also appear on click. So the same thing, the animation for the page is appear on click. So once I click on this other text, I also animate it. Now if I animate it to be typewriter and also choose apply on click, so I can now shift which one will appear first once I click the remote or once I tap the animation. Is it tutorial presentation that will come first or the page animation that will come first? So you can move any of these stuff to the one you want to come first. So click on this to play it. So when we play it, you can see how it's going to appear. The page animation is breathe, while the other text animation is typewriter. So I'm just going to click on this arrow so that you see how it will appear on this particular animation. So you can see how it appears very fast. So but for the other pages, it's only the page that was what animated and is breathe. So if you want to go out, click on this sign to go out, that's to go back to your design. So you can check other pages, add what you want to add, customize it to suit your presentation and the company. When you are doing tech presentation, there are sometimes you choose colors that are okay for tech presentation. So I'm going to add an element. Just shift these photos because I don't want you to give me something that is a photo. I want you to give me something that is an element. So a graphic, I'm just going to type shapes, then click on see all on this shape part. Now it's going to bring all the shapes for me. So you can see that even the shapes that were used in the design is what is here. You can see it is available here. You can edit it, and make it look like the one that is obtainable here. Just add a circle of this color to this center place and you get exactly the same shape as this one. So you can delete the one that you don't like in this particular thing. So now I'm going to add transition. You just click on plus button if you want to add transition, if it's necessary. If it's not necessary, you can leave it. Now if you want to add another page, click on the page you want to add, click on more. When you click on more, you are going to see duplicate. Click on duplicate and it will add the same page to duplicate it. So if you want to delete the page, you delete. If you want to copy, paste, lock position, download page, anything, you can do all those things as you can see. So if I want to rename, click on this three dots, click on the name of this thing and add the name. You can say new tutorial. So it's going to be new tutorial for me. So you can see other things you can do. You can set this design, share copy, move, set the accessibility, create new design, check the version history and all of that on this page. So as I want to download now, you can see it's going to say limited media playback because I have animated some pages. If I want to download only the current page, I click on the current page. If I want to download all the pages, I click on all pages and click on done. So I want to download any one, I can just choose maybe page 1 to 10, page 1 to 9 to download. So I'll click on done to download them. But I'm just going to delete the animation that I did. So you can see that this sign that is showing on these pages now will go out because they wanted me to download it as MP4, not and not PPT, which is PowerPoint presentation. So I'll go to page 1. Page 1 is the page that has the animation. So I'm going to go to page 1 and get that animation removed. I'm not going to download again. So let's go to page 1. So click on the animation. We have 3 animations here. One is this. So when we click on it, click on animate, click on none. When you click on none, the animation will do what? Will remove. So you still go back to this time the page, click on animate, click on none and apply to all pages, because if you don't click on apply to all pages, to only remove for this particular page. So click on the third one and also go to animate and remove it. So when you want to download, you change it to PowerPoint here, and when you change it, you see that all those things are no longer there, so you can download freely. So after downloading, we are going to check if this thing will play, because it's not just about downloading. You can also present from Canva, so but I'm going to check if this thing will show or not. You can also share this design link to your group, if it's a group presentation and all of that. So after downloading this, I'm going to go to my files. When I go to my files, I will open my files open my files folder. The name of our this thing is new tutorial, so I'll go to download. While we are waiting for it to load, subscribe, like this video, comment and share this video with your friends that may need this tutorial. So new tutorial, you can see just now that it downloaded. So I'll click on these three dots, click on open with, and I will choose slides because I want to open it with Google Slides. So I'll choose slides, click on just once because I don't want slides to open every time. You can choose to use another app. So you can see this presentation how it is. You can see that page 1 is different because we modified it and deleted a lot of things. So if you click on this play button, you choose to present either on this device or on Google Meet. So I'm choosing to present on this device. So I will allow it to load so that it will come like a video this thing where you can also control it. So you can see when I use my hand to slide over, the next page will show the same just like that until all the pages have been presented. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification so you get notified when I create videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.